All right, the month of March is done, and we are into April. So let's do a recap of what happened in March. We really got back on progress in March, getting a lot of stuff done, and we have a big roadmap ahead of us still for April that we might have to trim as we look forward to what we'll do next. But man, I'm happy with the progress that we've been making. We first did the Bible Hub World prototypes. I'm just going to go from top to bottom. So improvements to the map experience where basically as you complete the map experience, which is going to be in a bookmark kind of like this, covering up that QR code because it's not ready just yet. But once this is ready, you'll have a bookmark that you can scan, pull up the map of the world, go through a lesson on Israel and its history. And I'm going to mute this. Oh, it's muted. Perfect. And then have a world map to explore a little bit. And my goal long term is for this to be a community authorship platform where people, all sorts of experts from the community can provide data. My voice is a little bit shot from my travels in San Francisco for the Game Developers Conference. And also in the background is my son, who is my consultant and everything, as always. As I was saying, though, once this experience is complete, my hope is this can be a place to explore, see what AO Lab is up to, put some points of interest around the globe, and then long-term allow other people to submit other content and stuff. 1 second. So that's what's in progress there. We have the gift sticker, which is somewhat complete. I'm very excited about that. I can't quite reveal this QR code yet either, but basically there's a little smiley face, and this is a prototype. But this sticker is going to be something that you can put on Tupperware or on a gift, and then you put a message in this that you can unlock, change and edit, and put, like, if you made a meal for someone, put that date in here, throw a link to a recipe or something, and then change the colors if you want. Oh, maybe this isn't working. Well, it's supposed to let you change the colors. I don't know about that. Then you can relock it, and at that point, the experience is designed to lock so that the next person who scans it then sees the messages and the changes that you've made, and then they can unlock it and then pass it on so they can change it. And so it kind of becomes like this chain letter in a sticker that can be used to send people messages. Oh, looks like we need some debugging or something here. Or maybe I've made a bad date or something. I'm not sure. There we go. I needed to put that data in, looks like. But here I've locked this sticker, and I can unlock it and change it and then relock it, and the next person who scans it will see that new message. So it's a way for Christians to live out their faith by putting a message of encouragement or hope or something else onto a physical good that they can hand to someone. Lots more places I want to take this in the future, but it's a good start. AO.bot is something, it's a website that we want to launch and improve in the future. Not even ready yet, but it's starting to be a work in progress. We're starting to figure out some of the 3D assets. Let me pull that up really quick. Here we go. We're working on assets to visualize AO, which is kind of our little brand ambassador of sorts in 3D. I haven't quite figured all this out, but it's a work in progress, and we're getting there. So more to come. Hello AO is an experience designed to go inside of a sticker. That's something I have here, and that is going to be a room-like experience where you can explore it, see some of the things that we do in the context of this is not it at all. And I have it somewhere. 1 second. Here we go. Basically, this is still very much a work in progress, not at all finished, but it's designed to be a room-like experience where you can explore it, see, like I said, the products that we have in context, and learn more about us in an interesting space, hopefully. This is a very large file size right now, so it takes a long time to load, but we'll optimize all of that stuff later. I'll give it a second here to load. There we are. Coming together slowly but surely, but we'll have some interactive elements, some things to do. This is just a first pass. This is going to change a ton, but you can start to get the basic idea. BibleBots is coming together. BibleBots is our version. I gotta find the link for this one too. I'm not even organized today. But this is exploring biblical paradigms of the Bible in 3D. I'm gonna find this link for us. One second. Here we are. So we have the Bible here, and it just looks like a 2D Bible, but if I turn this option off, you can see it's not. It's a full 3D Bible, and I can click on verses to elevate their height, and I'm going to try and use this as a chiasm tool, if you know what that is, to try and illustrate different concepts and ideas, and just do all sorts of interesting Bible stuff. Ooh, JSX mode. I haven't even seen what this is. Oh, I'm animating the words together so you can see that as you make changes, things can move and shift. Very much unoptimized, but we got a lot coming together here. So excited to share more as we get there. Work in progress. The JSX Bible, which is a full JSX Bible, using our API. Everything that you see where you're seeing the scripture is always using our API, which I should mention we've also made improvements to and can now be found at bible.helloao.org. We're adding in new translations, and we're going to add a ton more in over the next couple of weeks. But this is really cool. I mean, this is special. I haven't seen anything like this, and I'm extremely excited to see where this can go in the future. But basically, the idea here is going to be using a collaborative Bible so that if you can see user presence, and if I hop to a different part of the Bible, then someone else can join me if I go there too, right? So I'll go to 2 Chronicles chapter 7 here, and my internet's going slow because I'm doing so many things at once, and I'm using the browser to record this video, which is slowing everything down, but that's okay. We build in public for a reason. So here I can hop into the other verse that I see that person's in, and can begin to click on things and toggle the settings of dark mode and text and all sorts of stuff. But it's basically designed to be the first prototype of what does a Bible look like that 9, 10, 12 people can all hold at the same time with shared presence and shared collaboration. Tons of stuff we want to do here still, but the basics are starting to get there. Many digital prototypes coming, coasters and things like that. I'm going to have, that's not even really done yet, so I'll save talking about that. We're working with Our Daily Bread and Reclaim Today. I won't go over that right now. We're working on some simple games and some all sorts of other options, and then starting to work on 3D overview, overworld prototypes of just playing with. This is the wrong thing. Playing with 3D characters. Let me see if I can find that. Where is it? Here we are. Playing with 3D characters and beginning to prototype just kind of a game interface so that we can have some more traditional game mechanics in here and begin to imagine the Bible to be experienced in this sort of modality. All sorts of blue ocean to explore there. Should put that link in here. So that's what we're working on for now. Lastly, we started a podcast. Hello AO is the podcast, and you can find it on our YouTube channel, and I'll be posting the new episode of that. I already did, so I'll post this and then start sharing that. And it's just a conversation between me and others who are interested in talking faith and tech and Christian living and Christianity in general. And that's all for now. Thank you so much. God bless you, and happy April Fool's Day. Don't get fooled.